G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great little home, 73 Drummond Street in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. Not as much to take in today, we'll go take a look around. This compact home is perfectly positioned on the low maintenance 721 square metre allotment with clear side access to that large 9 by 7 metre shed with a high 3 metre entry, making it the perfect low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. You also have the convenience of having the vibrant community hub, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, the Hervey Bay Boat Club and Marina, the Baker's Room Bakery, Damon Park, the waterfront restaurant and aquarium, the beach, the Botanic Gardens, the Kundaria Hotel, Bayswater Bar and Grill, as well as a fantastic selection of local cafes and restaurants, all only a short drive away. The home appears to have been built in the early 90s, and this is the first time it has been offered for sale in more than 30 years. Stepping inside, you are greeted by a large living area with split system air conditioning and a sliding door that provides direct access to the north-facing covered outdoor entertaining area. Stepping back inside, you have an open-plan dining area with a galley-style kitchen off to the side, which features a sliding door that provides direct access out to the front veranda, which does run the length of this home. The kitchen features an electric stove with a range hood and a pantry. This home does feature 2 large bedrooms, both with ceiling fans, with one of these bedrooms also offering direct access to that front veranda. The bathroom does include a vanity, shower and the toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation is provided by that large 9 by 7 metre double bay shed with a high entry of 3 metres on one door, and the other door is also remote controlled with power connected. Homes offering these features in this location and price point are sure to be in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.